Hello guys, a lot of people want to sell digital products on eBay, and that's why I'm making this tutorial. I want to show you guys exactly how you can do this step by step. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your eBay, okay? So and after that you want to click on sell. Now, before we do all of this and start selling digital products, I want to first show you something, okay? So a lot of people want to sell digital products, but they don't know how. Now I'm going to show you first the basics before I show you exactly how you can do it yourself. Now let me just change the location to United States, and after that I will show you guys how you can sell digital products easily without any suspension risks or anything, because I already sold digital products. I know what I'm talking about. Okay, so right now on eBay doing around $6,000 in sales. So I will show you guys how you can do that. Okay, let's get started. First, let's search here for Windows keys, for example. Okay, now and let me search for someone like this one, for example. This one is selling a digital product, but it's inside this CD or DVD. Now, because he is selling a digital product and it's inside a physical thing, this is not called for eBay. You just need to list it just like you listed a physical product, okay? Because he is not sending this through email or through eBay messages. He's actually shipping this by himself. Like he's shipping it's like a physical product. So in this case, just list it as you list a physical product, okay? Now, what I mean by digital product is someone, let me show you an example right now. Okay, this one, for example, is selling a digital product. Why? It's because he is only sending this through eBay messages. It says here, you will receive your game key along with these instructions by eBay message only. Okay, so you don't need to give him like home address, or you don't need to add your home address, only eBay messages or email. So this is considered a digital product. Okay, this is exactly why I'm making this tutorial. I want to show you how you can do this. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, is you want to click on sell in the top right, and after that you want to click on create listing, and you want to add here the title of your digital product. Now in my case, I'm just going to ebook, for example, or whatever. Then click on search, then click on continue without you want to click on brand new, continue listing. Now here is the trick. Now to sell a digital product, here is what you need to do. You want to go to category, okay, to the category, and you want to click on edit. Okay, next to item category, click on edit, and then you want to select this. The item category should be everything else, okay? And after that you want to scroll down a little bit and then click on information products, and after that you want to click on other information products. That's exactly the item categories you should select. And after that you want to scroll down, and then you want to add here the price of the item, for example $12. By the way, guys, I'm trying to hit 5 likes. If you can drop a like that on this tutorial, that will be highly appreciated. Like I said, you just need to add here 12. I'm going to add here $12. Now for you can add whatever price you are comfortable with. Here the format, here is also another trick. You cannot buy it now. You want to select classified ads, okay? This is for digital products only, okay? Classified ads. And here, as you can see, you can select here 30 days or until sold. I'm going to go 30 days and scroll down. The shipping country doesn't really matter because you are still shipping this using your eBay messages or email, okay? So now the fees here is $11. Now every item every digital product has different price. Now the minimum price is $9.95. So before even you sell the item, you will pay the $9.95. But this one I will pay like $12. Now you might say this is not good or something like that. I don't know, because eBay like tries to protect sellers and buyers, because there is always like higher risk selling a digital product compared to a physical product. If something happens, it's still eBay going to refund the buyer. So that's why they are charging this high fee. Okay, so as you can see here, insertion fee is $11.94. Okay, so that's the fee you will pay regardless if item sells or not. Okay, just keep that in mind. If you have guys any questions, just let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Now if you want to do dropshipping from AliExpress to eBay, which is exactly what I do, and they have helped a lot of people reach $10,000 a month with their account, you can always contact me on Instagram, and then I will show you guys exactly step by step, or I will do it for you. Literally, I will literally do it for you and grow your business to whatever number you want. Okay, so yeah, hopefully this tutorial guys helped you. If you have any questions, like I said, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment, and see you guys in the next tutorial.